Hi, I'm Omega Lee, and this is how to make a giraffe on the iPhone out of keyboard characters. Everyone likes to send their friends funny text messages, and today I'm going to show you a funny way of sending them a giraffe. The first thing to do is go into Settings, and when you go into Settings, it's important for us to go to General and turn off the autocorrect. So we'll go to Keyboard, and we'll turn the shortcut off right here so that there's no autocorrect. And when we go to send the text message, what we'll do is we'll start the giraffe. So we'll do 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll do a /, a open parentheses, I, /, close parentheses, return, open parentheses, O, that's lowercase o, quotations, space and then quotations, space, and close parentheses. Hit return, so we got the face. Now we're going to do a couple spaces, and we'll do the straight bar. 2 spaces and another straight bar, and then hit return, and we'll do that again. And we'll do that again. So now we're doing the neck. And we'll do another straight bar. We're continuing with the neck. Now we're going to start with the body, and we're going to do underscores. So a few underscores and a straight bar to begin the behind. No space here. And then we'll hit return, and we'll just fill in the neck. Straight bar there. And then we will continue to space and fill out the body. Underscore and straight bar. Now we're going to do the legs. Two spaces there. And we're going to do the hind legs. And these are with straight bars. And we are now ready to send that. So we can send that to our friend. And we can see here the giraffe.